2022. I'm just an addicted gamer that play games 8 to 9 hours every day, and it's hard to do the homework and chores when I already playing my game. And I also getting a sleep deprived because I used to gaming and scrolling through social media until midnight, and it's hard to sleep when I do that. My physique is below average too, and I get nosebleed and asthma pretty often. And when I do play football, I get nosebleed and asthma just because I'm playing it while my friends enjoying it. And it's depressing to get sick just because you want to be healthy. And when others just enjoying playing football. I want to improve myself, but I don't know where to start. And I searching and searching, but nowhere to be found. And when I can't find how to improve myself, I'm just doing gaming until I'm sick of it. Day by day pass by, and I'm still in that state. And that is when I can tolerate myself in 2022. And I'm searching until I found the self-improvement podcast that make me feel motivated. And that is the start of my self-improvement journey. And here I am in 2024, and there is a 4 lesson that I want to give to you in my 2 years self-improvement journey. And I learned it from my experience, and it is actually changing my life so much. And because of that, I am here today talking with you. First is the self-image. Before you even start changing your routine and doing the good habits, you must change the way you think of yourself. Imagine if you can be anything that you want in the real life. You can be strong, you can be filthy rich, and you can do whatever you want. What will you gonna be? If you want to start doing YouTube, start visualizing yourself as a great YouTuber, and it will benefit you greatly because how it changed the way you think, and you will know slowly but surely what a great YouTuber do to be a great YouTuber and what they will do when they are facing a challenge. You can visualize yourself every day for just 5 minutes, and you must visualize it as detailed as possible what your life will be if you are like them. If you want to be a YouTuber, start visualizing when you are making content, proofreading the script, collaborating with another YouTuber and content creator, and inspiring young men in a seminar. Of course, when you are visualizing, you want to also visualize the bad part, like the challenge of them. What will a great YouTuber face? Like sacrificing their time to make a content, uploading content and doesn't get many views, especially when at the early stage of it, and getting hateful speech in the comment. And it is necessary for us to foresee the failure in order to become what we want to become. And it's actually beneficial for us to visualize ourselves to be like them and facing the challenge and foresee the challenge too, because it is like a cheat code after all, and you can see what they are facing and you can foresee that. And it is important to have a great self-image because you are most likely have a bad self-image about yourself, and it is actually normal because you get that from the condition you get from environment and the people around you that tell you are terrible at the job. If you have that kind of self-image, you will just fall again and procrastinate when you are not feeling like it because of the self-image that you have. So it is important to have a great self-image, especially at the start of your self-improvement journey, because you are what you think to become. So use your imagination to the fullest. Second is mindset. It is important for you because it's like a principle that will control what you will do in many situations, and it will change your life trajectory greatly. And the great mindset that you must have is you do it because you want to do it, not because you have to do it. And it is a life-changing mindset for me because when you have to do it, you must do it and you will be like feel burdened by doing it, and it is feel like a duty for you. That is a must have. But if you want to do it because of yourself, you will feel like you want to do it, and therefore you will enjoy doing it. And you can have a strong mindset by reading a good book like Rich Dad Poor Dad by Robert T. Kiyosaki, The Subtle Art of Not Giving a Fuck by Mark Manson, and The Millionaire Wasteland by M.G. DeMarco. And the good book is like eating a nutritious food for your mind. It will giving you a fresh perspective about something. Third is having a routine. Having a routine is a key to having a great productive day. You will know what you do each hour in a day. You must constructing your schedule in a day so that you can know what you will use each hour of your day, and you don't get confused when you get a free time. And it is actually a game changer for me, because before I have a routine, I keep procrastinate and playing game when I have a free time. And after I have a routine, I can just keep staring at my routine so that I know what each hour of the day that I can use and start being consistent day by day. So it is a must have. The fourth and the last thing is start doing habit tracker. It is beneficial for me because I've been doing it for 2 years and I know what I want to do for each day because I keep tracking the habits that I want to do and building it every day and each day. And it's actually great because you can keep consistent from tracking the habits yourself. When I make a habits tracker, it is like a game because I can build my stat by day by day by doing the good habit, and it's like a game about doing the good habits. And meditation, workout, and learn habits is a must-have for your self-improvement journey. And my message for you is, when you're about to start your self-improvement journey, see this as a long MMORPG game where you can increase your stats day by day. And don't forget to rest because the muscle is start growing when you are rest, and it is about the same for your mind. So keep trying with consistently without worrying about failing, with a high curiosity. Bye.